Are you constantly worried about the safety of your crypto assets? In the fast-paced world of decentralized finance, security is paramount. And if you're exploring the Flare and XRPL ecosystems, chances are you've come across the Bifrost Wallet. But the big question remains, how safe is Bifrost Wallet? Let's dive deep into its security features, independent audits, and what you, as a user, need to know to truly protect your funds. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that Bifrost Wallet is a non-custodial wallet. What does that mean for you? It means you, and only you, have control over your private keys. Unlike centralized exchanges where your funds are held by a third party, Bifrost stores your private keys directly on your device, in an encrypted format. This is a fundamental security advantage, as it removes the risk of your funds being compromised due to a centralized hack on the wallet provider's end. Not your keys, not your crypto is a mantra that rings true here. Bifrost Wallet has taken significant steps to bolster its security posture through independent audits. Reputable cybersecurity firms like Cure53 and FYEO have conducted thorough security assessments of the wallet. These audits are critical because they involve experts meticulously scrutinizing the wallet's code for potential vulnerabilities, bugs, and weaknesses that could be exploited by malicious actors. While no software is ever 100% impervious to attack, these audits demonstrate a commitment to identifying and remediating security flaws proactively. In fact, a 2023 audit by FYEO identified and subsequently remediated several findings, highlighting Bifrost's dedication to continuous improvement. Beyond the core non-custodial nature and independent audits, Bifrost Wallet incorporates several practical security features designed to protect your assets. These include support for biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, adding an extra layer of security for accessing your wallet and authorizing transactions. They also emphasize the importance of a 12 or 24-word recovery phrase, which is your ultimate backup in case you lose your device. This phrase should be stored offline in multiple secure locations, never digitally. However, it's essential to remember that even with robust wallet security, user responsibility plays a massive role. Non-custodial wallets put the power in your hands, but also the responsibility. Phishing attacks, malware, and user error remain significant threats. Always ensure you're downloading the official Bifrost Wallet app, be wary of suspicious links, and double-check transaction details before signing. Blind signing, where you approve transactions without fully understanding their implications, is a common pitfall to avoid. Bifrost aims to provide clear transaction details to help prevent this. For those holding significant assets, integrating with a hardware wallet offers an even higher level of security by keeping your private keys entirely offline. While Bifrost Wallet itself is a software wallet, it's crucial to consider this layered approach for maximum protection. So, how safe is Bifrost Wallet? It's built with a strong foundation of non-custodial control, backed by independent security audits, and offers key features to protect your crypto. However, like any tool in the crypto space, its ultimate safety depends on how diligently you, the user, follow best security practices. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and always prioritize your private key security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.